Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick dev tip for you on how to edit your Yoast SEO breadcrumb trails. In this case, we have a care plan page and I want that page to be nested above an archive when it comes to the breadcrumb path. The archive is for a list of plugins and features that we use when we're listing what's supported on our care plans. Let's jump on into the video. Alright, so here we have some breadcrumbs for my care plan plugins. Care plan plugins is an archive page that we use to display all the different plugins that I have for my WordPress care plan pages. When I look at this and we see where it's nested under the menu, we can see that it's nested under what we do, WordPress care plans, and then supported plugins. So what I want to be able to do is make it clear that care plan plugins really belongs to my WordPress care plans page, which is here. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to use a custom snippet that I'm going to paste into my theme file. And I've got the snippet just here. And this snippet includes a filter for Yoast SEO breadcrumbs. It uses the WP SEO breadcrumb links, and I'm calling the function within my theme file called fix care plan BC path. And it says here the custom breadcrumb path using Yoast SEO to fix care plan breadcrumb path. So I've just put that in to make all this code as compliant as I can with WPCS standards. So here we say fix care plan BC path. I've got the global post, which is just a global value for WordPress. And then I say here, is singular CP plugins or is post archive CP plugins? And then put this array in and put this links in. Now, when we look at that, how did I get those values? So first of all, how did we get this and how did we get that? So let's take a look at this number here, 25105. What is that? Well, if I go to my WordPress care plan page and I click edit page and I look inside the URL here, I've got a post ID of 25105. That's where I got that ID from. And the function within the code here says get the permalink. So that's the URL inside the breadcrumb array. Next, what text do I want that to have? Well, I want that to be care plans. So that adds to my breadcrumb path this new care plans item. And then I say, slice up the existing link path that's already there and put in my new breadcrumb item inside that array splice and then return the links. So you can muck about with what position it is, 1, -2, etc. with this array splice value. And that will then put that new value, the new breadcrumb value, inside the links value that we already had. So if you think about it, the array of items within Yoast SEO breadcrumb paths, we're just adding in this new breadcrumb value that we want to add, a new crumb, if you will. CP plugins, where did we get that? Well, if we look at our plan plugins page and I look at the template structure here, we can see from the template hierarchy that I have a thing called CP plugins here. So I know that's what the name of the custom post type is. The other way I can do that is if I go to my dashboard inside of my site and I go to all care plan plugins, we can see that up the top here in post type, it says CP plugins. So that's what I've put inside here. So I'm saying if it's a single CP plugins or it's a post type archive page of CP plugins, put this new care plan link inside of there. So I'm going to copy all of that and paste it inside my theme file. So if I go to Appearance, Theme File Editor, and then I'm going to go to my Functions file, scroll down to the bottom. I've already got quite a few things in there, as you can see, with different types of block stylings and things. I'm going to paste that in and then say Update File. And that has now added that file into my functions file. So let's go back to care plans here. I'm going to just use the back button there. I'm going to refresh it. And there we have it. So now it says Home, Care Plans, Care Plan Plugin Support. When I click it, it takes me through to the care plans page. Excellent. Okay, so that's how I use that simple snippet inside my theme file to be able to add that. Well, I hope you liked that video. It's a bit more technical. It is a dev tip after all. If you like this and you want to see more dev tips, why don't you thumbs up the video, click subscribe, and leave me a comment below as to other dev tips that you'd like to see. We've got a fair few coming and already planned, but of course, we're always open to your feedback. And until then, I'll see you in my next video.